10 things to avoid before starting a business. Part 1. It might be amazing and tremendously exciting to consider going out on your own and starting something new. Up until you encounter a roadblock you weren't expecting, your enthusiasm is at an all-time high, and all you can think about is how to plunge in and get this business rolling. We write down our concept and set up a few papers, but we are unable to articulate why our theories and plans failed. It just goes to demonstrate that managing a company frequently needs much more than a collection of ideas. The success or failure of our enterprises is dependent on a number of factors. Unfortunately, though, we occasionally neglect these issues just because we're eager to launch our own company. We will be sharing 10 things you shouldn't do while establishing a business with you in this video. But I will share 5 points in this part, and another 5 in part 2. Ensure you watch part 2, for in-depth understanding. Consider subscribing if you're new here to ensure that you don't miss any more compelling content like this. 1. Stop spending excessive time on a company plan. We occasionally waste a lot of time developing a business plan in an effort to make our company as ideal as we can. But do not misunderstand this. When starting a business, it is crucial to have a structure for your idea and to make your vision presentable and real. However, instead of spending all of your time attempting to create the ideal business plan, start expanding your company right away. Alain H, a professor at Bentley University and a seasoned investor and entrepreneur, recommends against spending many hours perfecting your business plan because you will probably discard it or entirely revise it after your first meeting. Instead, he advises utilizing a straightforward 10-page PowerPoint deck that addresses all the essentials, such as your market, team, advisors, competitors, existing problem-solving plan, product or brand development strategy, projected traction, early financials, and needs. 2. Do your homework on the market. It's very important to personally do your research about the target market before launching an idea. Never launch a business without first determining whether the concept is viable or analyzing the market. The business will eventually fail because insufficient market research will reveal that the concept may not be a viable one after all. Although, sometimes, individuals may not know what they want, but market research combined with your intuition and insight can work wonders. 3. Do not fear failure. Failure shouldn't necessarily be seen negatively because it can serve as a lesson. We can learn from things other than only when they go well. While it's crucial to reduce the likelihood that something will go wrong, you should also be willing to learn from your mistakes. With your ideas and strategies, be flexible. Put everything you've learned into practice and keep going. Be willing to fail if you want to succeed. Anyone who succeeds in life had failed at a point. So, don't be afraid to fail. 4. Avoid appointing relatives and friends in place of skilled workers. Recruiting people you know can be advantageous, but only if they have the ability to take your company to new heights. The people you select to hire and bring into your firm are the backbone of everything. In the view of Hanover, from selling your product to providing your service to establishing the actual culture. Every job you make is significant, especially during pivotal times of your business. Consider hiring qualified individuals who will do a decent job rather than trying to save money by trying to acquire family and friends who will probably work for you for free. 5. Don't try to handle it by yourself. Although it may be tempting, you cannot always do everything by yourself. If you do, no one will benefit from your company's success down the road. You can share what you are doing with others to gain feedback on what is right and wrong about you. Additionally, you might be able to recruit others to work as your interns or partners. We will share other things to avoid when starting a business in part 2 of this video. So check the description for the link to the second part of this video. You don't want to miss these crucial insights for anything. If you enjoyed this video, we would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. Before then, we will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this.